Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May Allah's mercy and blessing be upon all of you. I hope that you all are doing very well and you may be safe with the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Dear students, today we are going to learn some basic and common Arabic expressions that will help you in the communication of Arabic language. The Arabic language is one of the most beautiful language in the world. And for this, we should also learn some expressions. These expressions are very important and it's being used in the daily life. I hope that you will understand it and you will memorize it. Learning Arabic is one of the great boon from the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
هيا نبدأ. Here we go.
Good morning. Sabah al khair. Sabah al khair. Good evening. Masa al khair. Masa al khair. Long time no see. لم نرك منذ مدة. لم نرك منذ مدة. I missed you so much. For female, we can say اشتقت إليك كثيرا. اشتقت إليك كثيرا. But if you want to say for male, we can say I missed you so much. اشتقت إليك كثيرا. اشتقت إليك كثيرا. How are you? For female, we can say كيف حالك. كيف حالك. How are you? For male, we can say كيف حالك. كيف حالك. I am fine, thank you. أنا بخير, شكرا. I am fine, thank you. أنا بخير, شكرا. What about you? For female, we can ask وماذا عنك. وماذا عنك. And if you want to ask male, we can say وماذا عنك. وماذا عنك. I am good. أنا جيدة. For female, أنا جيدة. If the male person wants to reply I am good, he will say أنا جيد. أنا جيد. What's your name? ما اسمك. For female, ما اسمك. And if you ask for male, you will say ما اسمك. ما اسمك. My name is Zahra. Ismi Zahra. We can say Ismi, male and female both. Ismi Zafar. Ismi Zafar. Where are you from? Min aina anti. For female, min aina anti. And if we ask for male person, we can say min aina anta. Min aina anta. I am from Delhi. Ana min Delhi. Ana min Delhi. Now male and female both can say Ana min Delhi. Where do you live? Aina taskunina. For female person, Aina taskunina. Aina taskunina. Where do you live?
And if you want to ask for male person, you can say Aina taskunu. Where do you live? Aina taskunu. Where do you live? Aina taskunu. I live in the United States. أسكن في الولايات المتحدة. I live in the United States. أسكن في الولايات المتحدة. How old are you? كم هو عمرك? For female we are asking كم هو عمرك. And if you ask for male, we can say, Kam huwa عمرك I am 20 years old عمري 20 سنة عمري 20 سنة I am 20 years old Do you speak Arabic? هل تتكلم اللغة العربية؟ Do you speak Arabic? هل تتكلم اللغة العربية؟ I speak little bit أتكلم قليلا
أتكلم قليلا.
What do you do? ماذا تعمل؟ ماذا تعمل؟ This is for male and if you want to ask for female person we can say ماذا تعملين؟ ماذا تعملين؟
أتعلم في الجامعة. I study in the university. أتعلم في الجامعة. Are you married? هل أنت متزوج؟ هل أنت متزوج؟ Are you married? It's nice to meet you. سعيد للغاية بملاقاتك. سعيد للغاية بملاقاتك. It's nice to meet you. That's it for today's class. Inshallah, we will continue to learn these kind of more expressions. See you tomorrow. أراكم غدا. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء.